everyone, it's Alex, a young adult and an opportunity seeker. Last weekend, me and my friend, we went to IamExpat fair in The Hague. IamExpat is an online platform that provides information on the most important aspects of life for international residents. I got to know the information about the fair from my university and shared it with my friend. We got our tickets online and traveled very early in the morning to Grote Kerk in Den Haag. First 2,000 visitors got a welcoming package, which included brochures, souvenirs with companies' logos, a booklet with a map of the event, with the schedule of the day, and with QR code to download the app to have all the information in digital form. The first workshop we attended was Dutch for Beginners, organized by Uva Talen, where my friend volunteered to participate in a fun small competition and he won a shopper with some products like hagelslag, snelkookrijst, appelmoes that we already ate, an onion, and pindakaas, which is peanut butter. The next workshop was delivered by ABN AMRO Bank, which was covering the topic of investments. A great advice for you here: do register for the workshops. I have not seen a link to register for a workshop, and when we arrived, we were scanning a QR code to put ourselves in waiting list, and the workshops sometimes were full, and we missed two of them: starting a business in the Netherlands and how to change jobs as a high-skilled migrant. Although we missed those workshops, we still had the possibility to go to the stands of the companies that were delivering the workshops and ask the questions. We also attended the workshop organized by Blue Umbrella on Dutch tax system and spoke to several recruitment agencies. The next IamExpat fair will be held on 13th of April 2024 in Amsterdam, and I highly recommend you to visit this event. Register in advance and get your free tickets. The event gives you food for your brain and provides you with further possible steps you could take to achieve your goals. This was the overview of IamExpat fair in The Hague. If you are interested in attending the next fair in April 2024 in Amsterdam, I will leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hope to see you on my next videos. And that's a wrap.